complain to me. Sometimes people they come complain to me, say, hello, sir, please, I'm depressed, I don't have money. And they tell them, say, go and learn from somebody who is already doing well, and you will become successful. If you see this guy, Mr. Great now, I love the guy so much because the guy, all the people beside don't refer to this guy, made the lenses and marketing from, they're all doing well. And nobody don't ever complain to me before. So learn from this guy so that in the space of 3 months now, you can still come to me and say, hello, sir, please drop your account details, man, and forward you something. Learn from Mr. Great. You know understand? This guy not pay me anything. I just want to do one for her because I know say a lot of people will be say they tell me say they want to learn online courses and all these things. When I referred them to Mr. Great, they all came back with a testimony. I mean, you know, say normally before, nothing good come easy. So dedicate your time. Even if it costs you fee, pay. Because now you are paying for mentorship. Pay for it. And it go put you through. When he put you through, you yourself, you go become successful in that field. It's as simple as that. Nothing good come easy.
All right, as you have heard directly from Gheghe, one of the best financial coach in Africa. So for you out there that have been looking for a digital skill to learn, especially if you want to learn sales and marketing, because that is what I have been teaching students for the past 2 years. And even myself, I have been able to use this skill to achieve things like this. All right. I've also been able to use this skill to earn over 7 figures in 1 week. I have also trained students that have made over 6 figures in 1 week. So just in case you two, you are out there. Now listen, this is not for lazy people. This is not bring 2 people to bring another 2 people. I mean, you want to learn how to sell digital products so that anytime you sell that product, you'll be able to earn a commission. Then you're welcome. All you have to do is go to my profile. There is a special link that you can click that will take you straight to my WhatsApp, where you and I would connect so that I can break it down step by step. But until then, I remain Mr. Great Egere, Great Nation.